In this Cypress tutorial, we are going to see how to run Cypress test in the headless mode. So basically, we have to use this particular command. By using this command, we can execute the Cypress test in the headless mode. So we have to use the npx followed by Cypress run and browser. And here we have to specify the browser name and followed by that hyphen hyphen spec. And here we have to specify the .js file path. So let's go to the folder where we have installed the Cypress. So let's open the CMD here and simply we have to use this particular command. So by using this command, we can execute the Cypress automation test in the headless mode. So here I will say simply, so here I'll say npx followed by that Cypress run, and here I'll say browser, and followed by that we have to specify the browser name. So let's add the edge this time. So next time we will run the test in the Chrome browser in the headless mode. So here I'll say edge followed by that we have to specify the 2 hyphen spec, followed by that we have to specify the path of the JS file. So we are going to execute our JS file. So that is there inside the E2E folder. So that is the first Cypress test.cy.js. So we have to specify the first Cypress folder. So inside the Cypress folder, we have the E2E folder. And then we have to specify the file name. So let's add the Cypress here and backslash. Let's add the E2E folder. Under E2E folder, we have the JavaScript file. So here I'll say first Cypress test.cy.js. So that's it, guys. So I will hit the enter. Let me maximize the command prompt. So it is started listening to this particular host and the port number. So it is not going to open the any browser because we are running Cypress automation test in the headless mode. So it is already provided all the details. And if you see here, so this is a Cypress version and browser. And this browser is, so this is the current browser. And if you look at the configuration, so it is opened in the headless mode. And followed by that, we have the node version. So it is specifying the number of spec file found. So currently we have one spec file. And this is the path where my Cypress automation tests are present. So it will take few seconds. Then it will generate the test results. So let's wait for a couple of seconds. And next time we will run our Cypress automation test in the Chrome browser. So this time we are executing the Cypress test in the Edge browser with the headless mode. And if you see here, so our test execution is completed. And this is our test suite name and this is our test name. And also here you can see that total number of tests and our test is getting passed. And this is the duration. So it took total 23 seconds for the test execution. And also at the end, you can see the our spec file. And here also you can see the total number of tests and our test is getting passed. Now, this time we are going to execute the Cypress automation test in the Chrome browser with the headless mode. So here I'll simply specify the Chrome. That's it. So if you look at this, guys, so it is not opening any browser. So that is the feature of the headless mode. So if you look at here, so browser, so that's a Chrome browser, which is having a 116 version. And also, so we are running our Cypress test in the headless mode. And you can see the node version, spec file, and complete path of the .js file. And it is currently executing the our Cypress automation test. So it will take a couple of seconds because we are using the heavy loaded web application. So where it is opening the youtube.com and followed by that it is going to search for something, and we got the results here, right? So this is a suit name, and followed by that we have the test name, and this is a total test, and our test is getting passed. And at the end you can see the our spec file, and also you can see the duration, how long it took for the execution. And finally in the spec file list also our test is getting passed here. So this is how you can run your test in the headless mode in the Cypress.